Today we'll be making a scalp oil. Now, I prepped it the night before, and right now I'm adding in essential oils of my choosing, and you can do the same. The base of my oil is 2 oils, coconut and grapeseed oil. I add in a bunch of essential oils, so you can add whatever oils you choose. I can't tell you, but if you want to enjoy these oils, you need to come on my website and get you one. Now, something that I feel is essential in my scalp oil is that oil right there. It's black seed oil. Black seed oil is super great for the scalp. It's great for the hair. It adds shine. It has all these great benefits. It's anti-inflammatory. It's very, very soothing to the scalp. Antifungal and antibacterial. Now let's bottle these babies. Normally I use a funnel because it avoids spilling, but this time I was not as smart. This is your liquid gold, so you want to be sure that you're not wasting it on your counters like I did in this video. These are little sample sizes that I offer on my website. I even give them away to customers when I give orders because this oil is just that good. It grows your hair, it soothes your scalp, and it gives you some shine. This oil can be applied to any hair texture as well because it's very lightweight, even locks. There's no buildup in the hair whatsoever. I worked hard on this formulation to make sure that I came up with an oil that was powerful and lightweight. I'm just using alcohol to wipe the counter off. On to labeling. So I'm also using alcohol again to spray and wipe the outside of these bottles. You can't really see it, but I was trying to show you the oil on there. And after all the oil is gone, using gloves, I like to use gloves because it doesn't leave a fingerprint. I put the labels on. I'll do another video for you guys of how I make my labels. I'm laughing at Fraser. But this is what it looks like. Crooked, yes. Now, for people who are like me, they have machines that put labels on straight. For those not interested in making their own oil, jump to my website and see what all the craze is about. Check out the link. Thanks for watching, guys.